If we now open the checkout.php file, which you'll find inside of the pages folder, the first thing we need to do here is to add our new shipping field. So if we scroll down a little bit, and for our expected array, after the email, I'm going to create 2 lines, same address. This is the first field, which simply stores the flag whether we're using the same address for the shipping or not. Then we have ship underscore address. Then we have, it's address 1 actually. And if I copy this, then it's ship address 2. Then we have ship town. After town we have county. And after county we have postcode. Post underscore code. And after postcode we have country. I'm just going to remove this comma at the end, country. So these are all of the expected fields. If we now scroll down to the required array, and for the required, the only required field here is going to be same underscore address, which is basically the indication if it's the same or not. Now, how do we deal with the required shipping address? Once the same address is flagged as 0, which is basically going to be when the shipping address is not the same as the billing address, then we need to add to the required array obviously all these fields preceded with a ship underscore. So after the special array, if we create a few new lines, and if we begin with array equals object form get post array, and we pass object valid expected. So all of the expected fields. In this case, we also obviously collecting the shipping fields, regardless of the fact whether the same address is set to yes or no. And now we check if empty array same underscore address. That means yes, we need to collect the shipping address as well. Else, we're going to do something else. But let's start with the if statement. Object valid required, and we add in the field ship underscore address 1. And if I copy all this, we also going to require shipping town. We don't require shipping address 2 because that's the optional field anyway. Shipping town. Then we have county. So ship county. After county we have postcode. And after the postcode we have country. So these fields are required if same address is set to null, which is basically indicating that it's empty. Otherwise, what we're going to do is array ship, actually, let me copy these names. Ship address 1, we set it to null, and the same for all the other fields, shipping fields, obviously. So let me just copy 2, 3, 4, 5, I think there were 6 of them. Shipping address 2, then we have shipping town, and then there is county, then we have shipping postcode, and then there we have country. Now what we're going to do is pass this array to the isValid method. So if I scroll down, and if we pass this array as a parameter to isValid, and everything else here stays the same.